Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a symbol in Cadence. First, launch the Cadence Virtuoso environment and open the Library Manager. Navigate to your working library and select the specific cell for which you want to create a symbol. From the menu, choose File, then New, and select Cell View. In the dialog box, specify Symbol as the view type. This action will open the Symbol Editor window, ready for your design. Now, let's add the essential pins to your symbol. Use the Add Pin command from the toolbar to place input and output pins. It's crucial to position these pins on the symbol's boundary for easy connection in schematics. Next, utilize the graphic tools to draw a clear, representative body for your symbol, often a simple rectangle. This visual representation helps in quickly identifying the component's function. Structure your quotation clearly. List all items with detailed descriptions, quantities, and unit prices, ensuring transparency. Specify payment terms, such as a 30% upfront deposit and progress payments, along with the project timeline. Clearly state the quotation's validity period, typically 30 to 60 days. Include clauses for unforeseen conditions and potential scope changes to protect both parties. Once you've finalized your symbol's design, save the symbol view to preserve all your changes. It's a good practice to perform a quick design rule check to catch any potential errors or warnings before saving. After a successful save, close the Symbol Editor window. Your newly created symbol will now be available in the Library Manager, ready to be instantiated and used in your Cadence schematics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.